So in our other videos, we would have looked at Castorboard offsets. So if we just go into the edit of this Castorboard, you can see that when I set this up, I gave it a 5mm offset value all the way around just to bring it in ever so slightly. So we can make a change to these values afterwards. That's not a problem. However, what we need to highlight is that this measurement of the caster is currently 80mm by 80mm in from the reference point. However, if I go and make a change to this Castorboard and maybe say, make this 20mm offset all the way around, what will happen is the wheel will move by that difference. So when we go into the edit mode of the wheel and look at the measurement, we now see that it's gone from 80mm to 95, essentially meaning that the adjustment we made to the offset of the Castorboard has directly affected the position of the wheel. So this is just something to be aware of. So best practice is get your Castorboard as you want it before you start adding the wheels. Of course, you could go back into any of the wheels and edit their positions afterwards, but the easiest thing to do is get the offset correct and as you want it for the Castorboard, and then start adding your wheels if you need your wheels in very specific positions.